Which of the following two states are prone to cyclones during rotating monsoon season? Answer D. Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Bauxite deposits are found in. Answer A. Lohardaga. The highest waterfall in India is. Answer C. Kunchikal. Largest freshwater lake in India. Answer D. Wooler. Which one of the following union territories has the highest literacy rate? Answer A. Daman and Diu. Where is the Rana Pratap Sagar Dam built? Answer B. On river Chambal. What is Talcher important for? Answer A. Heavy water plant. In India, variety of corals are found around. Answer C. Lakshadweep. Which of the following is the source of the Luni River? Answer D. Pushkar Lake. Who among the following environmentalists is known by the name of Jal Purush? Answer B. Rajendra Singh. The Shivaliks are called in Arunachal Pradesh. Answer A. Miri. Pulicat Lake is which type of lake? Answer B. Lagoon lake. Which one of the following is the capital of two states of India? Answer B. Chandigarh. The first jute mill was set up in India in. Answer D. 1855. Satish Dhawan Space Center located at 13° north latitude is situated at. Answer D. Sriharikota. The world's highest gravity dam is. Answer D. Bhakar. Canada Dam is on the. Answer B. Mayurakshi. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Answer B. India is the third in the world in coal production. In which year was the Wildlife Protection Act enforced in India? Answer A. 1972. Which one of the following is the largest glacier of India? Answer B. Siachen. Kapildhara Falls is located on. Answer A. River Narmada. Golden Quadrilateral Project of India joins. Answer A. Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. The Fedchinko, Biafo and Hisper are names of Himalayan. Answer C. Glaciers. The Palghat Gap serves communication inland from this port to Madras. Answer B. Kuchan. Which one of the following is known as the Pearl City? Answer B. Tuticorin. The oldest atomic power station is. Answer D. Tarapur. Varanasi is located in. Answer D. Middle Ganga Plain. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. Answer D. Odisha. Which of the following hydroelectric power project has the largest installed capacity MW for the generation of electricity? Answer D. Koyana, Maharashtra. The land area of India is what percent of the total land area of the world? Answer A. 2.4. Which is the largest state of India population wise according to 2011 census? Answer C. Uttar Pradesh. When did Sikkim become part of India? Answer C. 1975. Which one of the following state is slated with Silent Valley project? Answer C. Kerala. The peninsular plateau of India extends to. Answer A. Meghalaya Hills. Kanha National Park is famous for. Answer D. Tigers. In India, which state has the largest coal reserve? Answer D. Jharkhand. What type of river in the Indus? Answer A. Antecedent. Which hill station's name means place of the thunderbolt? Answer D. Darjeeling. The largest freshwater lake in India is. Answer C. Wular Lake. The oldest mountain range of India is. Answer A. Aravalli. The Andaman Group and Nicobar Group of Islands are separated from each other by. Answer A. 10-degree channel. Terrace farming is done. Answer A. On the slope of hills. Dry farming in India is extensively practiced in. Answer B. Deccan Plateau. Which one of the following is the southernmost point of India? Answer A. Indira Point. Where is the Forest Research Institute located? Answer A. Dehradun. The Great Barrier Reef is located in. Answer A. Pacific Ocean. The Greater Himalayas is otherwise called as. Answer A. Himadri. Vector and raster data are used for. Answer D. Geographical Information System application. The largest tiger reserve in India is. Answer C. Nagarjun. Durban city is situated in. Answer A. South Africa. Where in India are grapes grown on a commercial scale? Answer C. Parbati Valley. Tropic of Cancer passes through. Answer D. All of these. The Durand Line determined the border between. Answer D. India and Afghanistan. Kulu Valley in India is famous for the cultivation of. Answer C. Apples. Diamond mines are located at. Answer A. Madhya Pradesh. The study of population is called. Answer C. Demography. Which of the following country is the largest source in India's total import? Answer D. China. The Jawaharlal Nehru Port is located at. Answer C. Mumbai. The fertile land between two rivers is called. Answer C. Doab. Which one of the following state union territories of India recorded the lowest density of population in 2011 census? Answer D. Arunachal Pradesh. Sardar Sarovar Dam is being built on the river. Answer D. Narmada. Ramagiri Gold Field is situated in the state of. Answer A. Andhra Pradesh. Kullu Valley in India is famous for the cultivation of. Answer A. Apples. Which one of the following states recorded the lowest literacy in 2011? Answer A. Jharkhand. Which one of the following state does not use thermal electricity? Answer C. Arunachal Pradesh. Amarkantika Hills is the source of two rivers flowing in two different directions, west and east. They are answer D. Narmada and Mahanadi. Zojila is a pass between answer C. Kashmir Valley and Ladakh. The second largest river basin of India is answer C. Godavari Basin. What is jhum? Answer C. A type of cultivation. The place Sabrimala is situated in which of the following state? Answer C. Kerala. The Garo, Khasi, Jansha hills were performed in the same age as answer D. Meva Plateau. Tamil Nadu is the only state with more than one major port because answer D. The depth of water is high. Which is the largest tribe of India? Answer A. Gond. Which of the following problems is not encountered in the Indira Gandhi Canal command area? Answer B. A decline in the water supply. Which of the following is a river flowing from central India and joining Jamna Ganga? Answer D. Betwa. The Thar Express goes to answer C. Pakistan. Duncan Passage lies between answer D. South Andaman and Little Andaman. Which of the following industries is at Koratput? Answer B. Aircraft building. Peaty soil is found in answer C. Kerala. To which group does the black cotton soil of India belong? Answer C. Chernozem. In which state the percentage of Christian population is highest? Answer B. Kerala. Child sex ratio as per the provisional results of the 2011 census in India is answer D. 914. Which of the following rivers make an estuary? Answer D. Narmada. The southwest monsoon engulfs the entire India by answer D. 15 July. Which of the following mountains ranges in India are the oldest? Answer C. Aravalli. There was a substantial increase in food grains production, especially wheat production, during the period after answer D. 1966. Which one among the following industries is the maximum consumer of water in India? Answer B. Thermal power. Chilka Lake is located in answer A. Odisha. Which state in India occupies the same ranking position in respect of area and population? Answer B. Meghalaya. In India, as per the year 2001 census, the sex ratio females per 1000 males is answer D. 933. Which national highway is called Sher Shah Suri Marg? Answer D. National Highway number 1. Name of the capital of the newly formed state of Andhra Pradesh is answer C. Amravati. The Gir forest is noted for its answer A. Loin Sanctuary. What name does Brahmaputra take as it discharges into the Bay of Bengal? Answer D. Meghna. On which river bank Kota is located? Answer A. Chambal. Among the following, Which one is related to Blue Revolution in India? Answer C. Pisciculture. Which state is rich in jute? Answer A. West Bengal. Which Indian state is the leading cotton producer? Answer A. Gujarat. The Hindustan-Tibet road connecting Shimla with Gatok in western Tibet passes through. Answer C. Shipki La Pass. The southernmost range of India is. Answer C. Cardamom. Which state is famous for step wells? Answer B. Gujarat. Which one of the following is the most important source of energy in rural areas of India? Answer C. Biogas. Sivasamudra is an island formed by river. Answer D. Kaveri. Diego Garcia is an island in the Dash Ocean. Answer B. Indian. Consumption of chemical fertilizer is the highest in. Answer C. Punjab. Which of the following is not a cause of low productivity in Indian agriculture? Answer A. Cooperative farming. Where is the shore-based steel plant located? Answer C. Vishakhapatnam. Which of the following is largely used in textile industries in India? Answer A. Cotton. Bhilai in the state of Chhattisgarh is famous for the industry of. Answer A. Iron and steel. Saramati is the highest peak of. Answer C. Naga. Which one of the following areas is noted for mangrove vegetation? Answer B. Sajne-Kali forest of South 24 Parganas. Which of the following upland is not a part of the Telangana plateau? Answer A. Aravalli. In annular pattern rivers flow. Answer C. Like a ring. Severe drought is called when. Answer B. Shortage of annual rainfall by more than 80%. In India, rainforests are found in. Answer C. Any Himalayas and Western Ghats. Which of the following projects supplies electricity to the Rourkela steel plant? Answer B. Hirakud Dam project. Which of the following industries most closely approximate the perfectly competitive model? Answer D. Wheat farming. The shipbuilding yard Musgond Dock is located at. Answer D. Mumbai. Which of the following is the largest biosphere reserve of India? Answer D. Gulf of Mannar. Bangladesh was established as an independent nation after Indo-Pakistan War of. Answer D. December 1971. Which one of the following is known as the coffee port of the world? Answer B. Santos. The power plant at Manikaram based on geothermal energy is located in the state of. Answer C. Himachal Pradesh. Dash is not a nuclear power center. Answer A. Chamera. Which of the following state does not border on Myanmar? Answer B. Assam. Pie diagram is the best example of the representation of. Answer C. Land use. The burst of monsoon in the month of June brings rain to. Answer B. Kerala and southern coast of Tamil Nadu. Which of the following state known as the traditional region for tank irrigation? Answer C. Tamil Nadu. Which one of the following is not a union territory? Answer D. Tripura. The first biosphere reserve in India has been established in. Answer B. Nilgiri. In India, according to the 2001 census, the female literacy rate is. Answer B. 54.16. In India, the Dhariwal and Ludhiana towns are famous for. Answer B. Woolen textiles. When was the first National Forest Policy issued by the Government of India? Answer A. 1952. The Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute is located at. Answer A. Cochin. Which river is under dispute involving Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat? Answer B. Narmada. Saddle Peak is the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar Island is located in. Answer D. North Andaman. Which statement regarding special economic zones is incorrect? Answer A. They are not exempted from the application of labor law. Which of the following state was previously known as NEFA? Answer B. Arunachal Pradesh. Diu is an island of. Answer C. Gujarat. The standard time of a country differs from the GMT's multiples of. Answer C. Half hour.